How to apply for Walmart online jobs. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can apply for Walmart online on Walmart jobs, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to apply as an employee for the Walmart online job application, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, go to careers.walmart.com, which is the official website of them. So just go ahead and type in careers.walmart.com, and then you're basically going to see this type of interface here. Once you select this type of interface, it will ask you to allow the location permission, so you can do that. Now you can just select the position or the title or keyword for the job title you want. So basically you can see different types of openings over here. You can just select a specific application that you want to apply for. Once you select that here, just select a specific application and then just go ahead and tap on this apply button, then fill in the form, and then you should be able to successfully apply for the specific title or the job over here. So this way you can go ahead and basically apply Walmart online jobs. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.